What's up guys, thank you for watching another video. Right now we are on the way to meet up with Danny, M235, and our friend Jonathan, who just got a new Tanzanite blue M4. Thing is sick. So yeah, we're just finding something to do on a Friday afternoon. Might as well go hang out with the boys, do some car stuff, take some pictures, and just hang out, talk, chill, try to get some content for you guys. It's getting dark right now, so hopefully there's enough light to film where we're going, but hopefully we can film some content for you guys, just chilling, car shit, ride-alongs, you know what I mean? So catch up with you guys when we get there. Alright, just pulled up with Danny and Jonathan. We're about to do a ride along in Danny's car. Film the reaction. It's pitch black outside.
Oh god, your clutch is super short.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Yeah, different
Actually, honestly, if you take it up to like 5K and stab the clutch, you'll hear a little flutter.
It literally sounds insane. Especially from outside the car.
Yeah.
Just pulled up with the boys. M235 Danny. Got the F8, got Jonathan. It's a 2015 with the competition wheels and the gold ceramic brakes. And it's 6-speed. So sick, yo. He had a Estoril blue F30 335. Got into an accident, but he upgraded to the Tanzanite blue M4. We're just booling, hanging around, did a ride along in his car. Might do a ride along in his car next. Man got a new camera too, Sony a7 III. Big baller. Big baller with the camera, holy. Ride along in Jonathan's car.
6-speed light.
Woo! Cars start blowing up left and right.
We just got back from a ride along in Jonathan's car, and we're on top of his apartment parking structure over here. Downtown Orlando's right there. It's hard to see, obviously. We got I-4, notorious highway to hell in Orlando, and my car's parked over here. And Danny's gonna practice shooting with his new Sony. It's gonna be so dark, yo. It's gonna be so dark.
It might. I mean, this shit, like the ISO goes up pretty high, so I mean, look, that's at 1250.
Oh damn, yeah.
So it might honestly not look too bad. We're gonna give it a go.
Stimulus check. Yo, oh, let me close my door, yo. So yeah, he's gonna practice with his new camera, and we're just chilling. Friday night cruises and chills with the boys. Me and him gotta do a midnight run soon when I get new tires, so definitely gotta do that. Damn son, damn G. So yeah, we're just chilling Friday night with the boys. So here's Jonathan's M4. It's so sick. It's so dark so you can't see anything, but he just gave us a ride along, and his M4 is 6-speed, stage 1, and nothing else. And man, I can feel the difference between his car and my car. The torque is just insanely different. It's just more torque. I mean, our car's already torquey as it is, but his car just is, it just pulls you back. Makes me want to get stage 1 one day, but, and then Danny's car, N55 intake sounds amazing. makes me think about tuning my car, but not yet. Not yet. Boy Jonathan. Yo, if y'all need a photographer, hire the boy. Yo, check out the camera, bro. He's kidding. Me and Danny play COD every night together.
Dubs, high kill games
Dubs only. High kill games only. High kill games only. Y'all already know. So Jonathan upgraded from an F30 as well. So look at us now. Danny's about to upgrade to an F80 as well. Let's go. It's the comp exhaust with burger tips.
That's for sure.
So what size are these tips? 90?
Yeah. Damn, you guys are lucky. Watch, soon we're gonna see G80s, G82s. These things are the fastest fucking there as the games.
But they are fast.
They are.
What you gotta say to the vlog?
See this right here, I4? Come race me at M235i _ Danny. See you on the streets.
Alright, so we are about to wrap it up for tonight. I might film some other stuff this weekend. I might move some of my spacers around, so we'll either catch up with you guys in a couple seconds for the next day. But yeah, we're just hanging out tonight, just talking. It's good to get out since COVID, you know, everybody's inside, but it's good to go out with the boys, drive around, do a ride along, talk cars, and just chill. Beautiful night in Orlando. But yeah, we'll catch up with you guys soon. Oh look, food's here. What's up guys, it's the next day, and like I mentioned last night, we are going to be moving some spacers around on my car. See if we can get a flusher fitment in my rear. I really wanted to see what 17mm spacers would look like in the rear and then 10mm in the front, so we're gonna find that out today. I'll give you guys a preview of what my car looks like now. Everybody knows that my fitment looks pretty spot on right now with the spacer setup. So right now on the front I have a 12mm spacer. So with the 10, obviously it's gonna tuck. If I move the 10 to the front, it's gonna tuck a little more. And then in the rear I have 15. So I think I can definitely fit the 17 back there and move some stuff around. Show you the other side. I mean, it's pretty flush now, but I know it could come out, it could poke out a little more. Everybody loves this fitment. Everybody always asks me about this fitment. I could definitely order new spacers, but it's like one of those things you just don't want to buy. It's one of those small things you just don't want to spend more money on, because you can be, you know, saving up for other stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna jack up my car and flip-flop the spacers, and I'll show you guys a before and after. Alright, so I just got both wheels off, and I'm going to move the 12mm spacer up front and stack it with a 5mm right here. And then I'm gonna take the 10mm off this hub. My wheels are freaking dirty right now, but I'm gonna move the 10mm up front. Yeah, it's not gonna be as flush in the front as it is now, but I really want to see a 17mm on the rear. I think the fitment's gonna be super flush and it's gonna look 10 times better. So I'll catch up with you guys when I swap the spacers and then put the wheels back on. Alright, we got the 10mm spacer over here and we got 17mm back here. About to lower the car now to test fit, but I think it's gonna be super flush or pretty close to it. Hopefully we don't rub though, that's the main concern, of course. Alright, but here we go, moment of truth. All right, I think it looks pretty damn good. I mean, we're cutting it real close though. I mean, real close. I mean, I don't think it'll rub. We'll have to test drive to find out. This is what it looks like in the rear. I think it's crazy perfect. Again, if I do rub, I can either raise the rear up just a little bit, a couple millimeters with the height adjustable spring kit from KW. So that's not really a problem. That's why I love having the height adjustable spring kit. And this is what the front looks like. Still looks pretty good. Again, I'm not too worried about the front. I think it looks fine to me. I just think the rear needed a little more, a larger spacer, and I think 17 is just right. I mean, whew. I'll take my car out of my garage and show you like this side compared to the other side that I haven't done yet. So it looks good though. No finger gap for sure. Let's just hope I don't rub. I don't think I will though, but we'll be pretty close. We'll find out when we go for, you know, cruise this week. So this is the 10mm on the front side. It looks pretty damn good to me, pretty flush. And then look at the 17 in the rear. I'm on an incline right now, so it really looks like I'm tucking, but I mean, I am fender over wheel for sure. Hella good. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that for now, and then if I do rub, I'll either raise the rear or flip back the spacers, but I think it looks really good right now. Looks like I'm aired out a little bit. That's funny. But again, I'm on an incline, so that's why it looks lower than usual. And then I'll show you the other side. Just for reference, this is with a 12. My wheels are dirty. And then this is with a 15. It looks good, but I think this side looks 10 times better, in my opinion. So yeah, I'm gonna pull the car in and do the other side, and I'll catch up with you guys after that. All right, just lowered the car, just got done with the other side. So again, to recap, we got a 17mm spacer on the rear, and man, it looks good. Again, we got no fingers, that credit card fitment right here. And I don't think I'll rub, I got room. But I'll let you guys know on next week's video. We'll do some driving this week and test it out. If I do rub, like I said, on the previous side, I'll just raise my has kit up. I mean, that's the greatest thing about these height adjustable springs. I don't have to worry about rubbing, because if I do, I'll raise the springs up like a couple millimeters, so it's a win-win. Height adjustable spring kit is a win-win. The car looks super good, super dirty. I gotta wash it this week. I'm super happy with the results. I'm currently out of breath. Gonna go upload this footage and edit this so I put out the vlog for this week. But we're making progress on moving to a new house. We can't wait to show you guys the new garage setup, hopefully. It is amazing. I don't want to get too ahead of myself right now though, because you know, I don't want to jinx myself. That's bad luck. But wait till you guys see this new garage setup we're gonna have. It's insane. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for next week's video. Hopefully we'll be closing next month and moving to a new garage is the ideal goal, of course. But thank you guys for watching. You leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.